Over the Line is starting right now, and I'm Matt Day, and this is John Mattis, and we are going to give you the best 3 minutes of your day.
That is promising a lot, Matthew.
Yes, but we've got some great topics, and for the NFL fans out there, we know you're there. I know you can't wait for the season. I know I can't wait for the season. We've got some stories for you, starting with Colin Kaepernick. He might need a social media manager, or just to think before he tweets/Instagram, because he's not too good at it.
Yeah, on social media this week especially, he tweeted insensitive, a couple hashtags attached to a Houston Floods photo. He's trying to kind of, personal brand this, personal brand that.
But with hashtag 7 Torms coming.
I know, it's really confusing. We're not even going to get into that.
No.
But this isn't the first time that Kaepernick's done this, and as you said, he needs to have some sort of, he makes millions of dollars, pay someone $50,000 a year. And that's even a pretty good permanent. That's not a bad salary. To run your Instagram and your Facebook and your Twitter and everything will be okay because, wasn't he wearing like a Dolphins hat once?
2 years ago, he was posted a picture of himself wearing a Miami Dolphins hat. He grew up in Wisconsin. He plays for the Niners. Does he know where he is?
It makes no sense.
Could you imagine? I didn't have a middle finger like this. I'm Spider-Man!
Is it? No, it's more Canseco, isn't it?
Yeah, speaking of Jose Canseco, brings us to our next topic. The former MLB slugger being honored by the Sonoma Stompers. The pride and joy of
I think it's an independent league or something. I don't know.
Anyways, they're giving out foam fingers without the middle finger, an ode to when he shot himself, cleaning a gun.
Yeah, last year he obviously ran into a certain situation where he lost half of his middle finger, and he's still plugging away. He's still one of the best guys to follow on Twitter, and still, he makes his appearances. He's a man of the people.
I just don't get why we're honoring a player who admitted to using anabolic steroids. Let's put an asterisk beside this foam finger, why don't we?
But off the field, I'd say he's a quality guy.
Yeah.
Second chances? No?
We started talking about NFL football. We're going to end the show talking about NFL football. Vikings running back Adrian Peterson went on a Twitter rant about honor in the NFL.
Yeah, he wasn't too happy about how he thinks that NFL contracts are one-sided. How basically the team can release him at any time. Which is totally, it's totally true, and it's totally, it's something to maybe bring up at CBA, but, I mean, Adrian Peterson needs to get out of the news. He's had enough with the child abuse allegations and all those problems that
he should be thanking his lucky stars he's still in the league, playing for a team that wants to keep him. The Vikings have already said that he's our guy if he wants to play. He's holding out because he wants more money.
He's really got two choices. He can either play for us or he can not play.
Stick to playing football, get back on the field. You're a lucky guy to be in this league.
Yeah, and he's talking about honor. How about honor of the Vikings for not turning their back on him?
Oh, all this football talk. I can't wait for Sunday afternoons, chips and dip on the table, beer in the hand, armchair quarterbacking.
And the Packers losing, perhaps?
You derailed me.
That's it for Over the Line. Check us out at canoe.com and Sun Sites everywhere.
I don't know how you can gauge Twitter rants in minutes. Anyways, 3.
Yeah, you can. You can just look at the timestamp now.